let's do the rig. So we're going to give you for this a light stand, just a simple light stand. I think that's the easiest way we can go. And it will have a ball head on it so that you can easily make sure it is level. These little knobs here at the side to make it level. Just finger tight. They don't have to be too tight. Any sort of kit like this, you can't over tighten the screws, okay, because it will just damage the materials. So we're going to check this out. So again, there's a little screw at the back here. Let's make sure that you can see all that easily, all right? So this is the rig that I've chosen for you. Gently lift it up at the back. Now there's a lot of spring in this, so you don't have to worry too much about tightening this screw at the back. Just, like I said, finger tight. That's not going anywhere. That phone is not going anywhere. And then you just want to make sure it's not wonky. What I normally do, especially if I'm on my own, you can go with the little bubble, but a really good way, sometimes those bubbles are not accurate, so another good way is pick something which is, you know, hanging straight. Like I've got this TV and this frame here. Pick a line on the side and just line up your shot like that. And you can see that that's pretty straight. Like that's fine. You can see how straight that is, okay? Not quite. It's a bit. I'm just going on this painting. That's a level shot.